So today we see about the topic is DT based on topic. Okay. So in this DT based on topic, the main topic is the helical spring. So the helical spring, the main purpose is to absorb the vibration, forces. Okay, that is the main purpose. First, what is DT? Simply already I told that the DT is the innovation technique or problem solving. What are the stages in DT?
Sir, the DT has 5 stages, sir. Empathy, define, ideate, prototype, testing, sir. The empathy is creating a problems. Define is the problem solving techniques, sir. Ideate,
select the major
problems
in the
defense stage, sir. Ideate can be the creating a low cost of the materials and easy to manufacture, sir.
Okay, that's the great idea. Create the idea to solve the problems.
Next, prototype. The simple structures, the springs.
Like model, create the model or create the model. Final one is
testing. Wherever test the material can be failures, the suspensing systems can be used.
So these are the main 5 stages in DT. Can you say what is helical spring, major applications or important points?
So helical spring is an elastic mechanical element which is used to store and use the shocks and vibrations, as you said. While the torsion or tensile strength like that stresses actor, it will absorb the shock and uses the shocks.
Main vibration is an important point.
Mainly it is made up of chrome and vanadium, sir. So it has flexibility. It has a helical shaped coil structure to absorb the vibrations and stores the shocks. While designing the spring, we need to consider few parameters like mean coil diameter, wire coil diameter, and number of active coils. These are all the major parameters to consider while designing the helical spring.
Number of active coils means this is the
first one, second one,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this means the total number of active coils. Wire diameter means
the diameter of this
wire,
and mean coil diameter is the
overall diameter.
We need to consider these parameters while designing the helical spring.
So these are the major points of the helical spring. Next, I can say the reason for failure. So this is my empathy. My empathy is the spring failure.
So due to the over weights and over pressures, over speeds and proper maintenance. So in two-wheelers we can use for going only doubles. So in the overspeed the pump will generate the overpressure to the springs. So spring does not have materials of thickness. So that's why.
Due to that
over
Speeds and
overspeed and overload.
Yes. And where we can use this all number of vehicles. So like the heavy trucks and lightweight vehicles, motorcycles, two-wheelers and cars and stuff.
Sir, and based on the material of the spring and based on the diameter, we have a failure.
And material handling.
So based on the materials.
And proper service. Proper service and fitting.
Problem?
Proper service.
Okay, proper service.
And fitting.
Okay. So this is also the main reason for the failure of the spring. Can another point come up?
Sir, let me explain how the failure occurs in the spring. We have a failure of natural and artificial. So in natural, we have applied the weight or load constantly, that the spring will expand gradually and not go to its initial position. As we can see, this is an initial position of the spring, and this is the load applied constantly for many hours, and due to gravity the spring is expanded like this. So it is another fact of failure. And we have failure like applying constant load to the spring. So if we, as we can see, we can apply the load due to the gravity and the force acted directly to the spring. And we have to choose the right material for the spring for its right mechanical purpose or absorption purpose. Spring is not only used in absorption and vibration system, it is used for driver comfort and safety, and spring not only used in this material or vibration system, it is used in each and every part of the machine that reduce the vibration and increase the accuracy of the material. And
that I reduce the vibration
and increase the accuracy of the material.
Finally, I can consolidate this point now.
Let me consolidate. So first we see about why the spring we need to use this spring and why the spring is got invented. And the main purpose of the spring is used to observe the vibration and shock while traveling or while machining process. And we have a deep explain about the helical spring and diameter of the springs and load of the spring. And for failures we have done by natural and artificial failures. And finally we conclude the section about spring which helps to reduce the vibration and increase the quality of the